everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here, and we have a lip gloss fail, people. We do have a lip gloss fail. So yeah, we're gonna do mixing some colors today, and I have some new candles that I want to share with you guys. I told you guys that I'm doing new stuff, and this is strictly a business channel, so all of you guys can just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications and comment below. Come on, let's go. So remember in the previous video, I did a demonstration with the Versagel and the polybutane mixed together, and it came out pretty good. So I decided to do this one, as I told you guys, with the wax. So I used the citrine wax that I got from TKB. And I do have a video where I did it with the Versagel before. I know I'm talking fast, but this is how I'm doing it. So I have a video where I did it with the Versagel before, but I'll have the link above so you guys can go and see how I actually warm the wax and the measurements that I usually do with that. So with that being said, I did it with the citrine, and oh my gosh, it was a fail. It didn't come out good at all. As you can see right here, it's very sticky, like it's bumpy. You can see probably little balls that is through it. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but it was actually a fail. It was just despicable. Look at that, just horrible. So I wouldn't advise any of you to do it with the wax, but I think I might have been using the wrong type of wax. There's a few different type of waxes that you can use, and we'll get into that later. But for this one, that was a no-no. So I went ahead and I did go and do it the usual way. Well, I really did like it with the Versagel and the polybutane mixed together. So I went ahead and I add a few of the oils that I usually add in. And again, if you want to see what oils I use, you can go back into some of my previous videos. I will have a link above or in the description box below. So yeah, and I did a mixture with them together, and it came out pretty good as usual again. So here is what I'm gonna do. I am gonna mix three gorgeous colors that came out superb, guys. They came out so nice. I think I'm actually gonna be adding them to my lip gloss lines. You guys can look out for that. And as you can see here, it's a little bit runny, but you can add the Versagel or the polybutane, whichever one you want to thicken it up. It's your preference. Well, I do think that the polybutane is a bit sticky, so I would add more of the Versagel. And the thing is, if you see the gloss more like a whitish color or whatever, you can just let it sit for a while. You can even let it sit overnight, and it just clears up completely. Even if it has a lot of bubbles in it, you can just let it sit for a while and the bubbles will just dissipate. And if you guys are used to doing lip glosses, you know what I mean. So yeah, you can go ahead and do that. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be adding some Micas in these, and I'll have those listed below also, because right now I cannot really remember the names of the Micas. So I'm going to do a pink. I'm going to do a more mauvey dark, like neutral one. And then I'm going to be doing a gold one, which I absolutely adore. Yes. So the first one I'm mixing is more of the mauvey type. It's like a pearlescent. It's creamy and rich, as you know my lip glosses are always, so like that. Yeah, and then it's gonna be a pinkish one, like a soft powdery pink like one. It's showing more peachy on this, but that's just how the cameras act up sometimes. But I swatched them right there, and I'll swatch them at the end of this video. So there you have it. I really love this one also. It's more like for the neutral type, like those that do not want these bold lips. You can use this color. Like I said, I will be adding these to the line. And oh, I forgot to mention that all of my glosses, all of the cosmetics rather, will be moving permanently to my Etsy shop. You know that I do have them on there now, but since I've started the candle making, so I've made that to the Queen's Ink shop, and now I have all of the cosmetics on the Etsy. So I will list the links coming above this screen. They will be in the description box below, and you guys can go and check out everything. However, I will not have the new lip gloss line up as yet, but they will be coming up by next week on the Etsy shop. So yeah, and this is like the pinkish color. I love this color also. It's more like a softy color, like pearlescent pink. It's showing a bit bright here, but it's not like that at all. And let me tell you guys, these are so pigmented. That's why I would suggest you use the polybutene with the Versagel. Just play around with it, see how your mixture comes out. Check your measurements, and if you're not sure about the measurements, I can do a little measurement guide in one of my videos if you request it, so that you can have the correct measurements and you don't have to go through all of the testing period and stuff like that. So yeah, and the gold one came out absolutely stunning. I'm telling you, it reminded me of the Rihanna, the Fenty rather, Heat, the gold one. It reminds me exactly of that. If you want to see a video in depth on how I did this one, then you guys can let me know also in the comment box below. So I'm just gonna continue to mix this gold one. As you can see, I'm telling you guys, it's fabulous. So yeah, then I'm gonna swatch it at the end. So I know some of you guys have been telling me like swatch it on the lips, swatch it on the lips, but you just don't know how I be trying to get through these videos. But I'm gonna be doing some lip swatches on my pages. Look out for them, like Instagram, maybe TikTok and stuff like that. So yeah, there you have it right there. See, there it is. Lovely, gorgeous. Yeah, so there the three colors, they are the three colors right there. And so let me just drop the candles that I've been doing inside this video at the end, just show you guys a sneak preview of what's going on. So these are the love language candles. This is the logo, and here are some photos. We do have bubble candles that are very, very trendy. We have cupcake candles. We have cupcake melts. We have strawberry melts. We have a few types of melts, all in some introduction to some candles. Rather, the basics of it. I think I'm gonna get into that during that video, but I just want to just bring you guys up to date on what I've been doing, because I've not been posting much on my channel, but that's what's going on right now. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of practice, it takes a lot of what should I say, testing the candles, the wicks, and all of that good stuff and whatever. And like I said, this is another area in which you guys can branch off to if you're in the cosmetic line business or whatever business that you have. And if you want to add another income to your line, then like I said, candles is perfect. Body butters are perfect. And what else is there? A few other things that I can discuss right now, but I can also do a video on that also, on how to venture out into other areas, on other business ventures. I think that will be interesting. So we have come to the end of this video, guys, and just go ahead and like these videos, turn on the notifications, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys definitely in my next videos.